guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruby, Beautiful Natural Makeup. For short, you can call me Ruby. So today, you guys, I picked up some stuff from Sheglam. Now, I always go in on Shein site and always looking on stuff there. I bought some clothes earlier this year from me. And you know what? I was like, oh my God, I cannot buy these things because I don't think they're really that good. Anyway, I picked up a haul here, and I'm not gonna show you what I got today. The only thing I'm gonna do is show you the foundation and the primer and the mascara that I want to use today from it, and then I'll show you the rest. So I have this foundation in Taffy from Sheglam, and they said it's a complexion pro long-lasting breathable matte foundation. So this is the box, you guys, and these are affordable. And I also got the foundation in this, which is really nice. It looked like a high end, the way how they package the foundation into this really nice velvet bag here. It's really looking nice, you guys. So I am going to take out the foundation, and I hope this one really fit my complexion because it's in Taffy, and they said it's a long lasting breathable matte foundation, and you can see Sheen glam down here. So I got this, and then I also got their primer, and the primer is also from them, and this one said it's a birthday skin primer pigment. So I got that, and I am going to try it out, the primer on my face first, and then I am going to also use their mascara. So if you want to see, just keep watching, you guys. So this is the primer. Look very expensive on it, and it's a birthday skin primer. So this is it. When I'm ready to do the haul, show you everything I got, I'm gonna tell you the price for each thing that I picked up, and it come with something like this. They have the pink and the white one, so I got the white one, you guys. So I'm just gonna put it on my face here, and then blend out the primer on my face. I am going to use a sponge, and I am going to blend the primer. It comes with this, so if you want to use this to pick it up, you can use that. So I'm blending out the primer here. So the first thing that it said here about the foundation, they said to shake up the foundation, which I am going to do. So this is the foundation here. I'm going to shake it up before I use it. And this one is in Taffy, and I am going to put some on the back of my hand here, you guys. Okay, so this is it. This feels really nice on the skin. It feels really light. So this is the foundation. So I am going to just put some here. And wow. So first, this is very thick, but it doesn't feel like a foundation. It feels like skin. It looks really natural. So this is how it looks on my face. It's not a full coverage, it's a medium coverage. You can see my pulse through it. So I'm gonna put some more on the back of my hand, and I'm gonna blend it. You guys, you have to blend this really fast because I think this foundation dry really fast on the face. You go, Sheen. It's really look pretty in the face. So guys, this is the foundation 2 pump. I love this foundation, you guys. You have to blend it really fast, but this foundation is also a matte, look matte on my face. It is really nice, you guys. The coverage is not full, you can see, but this is really a nice foundation to have. Now I am going to do a haul on all the product that I got from Sheglam, and I also got their mascara here, which is waterproof lengthening mascara. So I saw they have more than one on the site, so I decided not to pick up the one that everybody is picking up. I picked up this one here, another. So this is it. I don't have no form of anything else on my face different from just set underneath my eyes here. So this is the mascara from Sheglam. Also I am going to try it. They say it's a lengthening mascara. This is the one, you guys, really nice one. So I am going to try it out on my lash and see. Wow, oh wow. This is one of my favorite not just for forever, but this is so nice, guys, really nice. You can see the length in my lash, and it also divides the lash like the lash into one place, it's not clumpy or anything. I really like this one, really nice. Really nice, you guys, really nice. Two coat of mascara, foundation, really nice, you guys. This is it from Sheglam. And I have the rest of the things. Then I'm gonna end up do a haul and everything, included the foundation and the primer. I love the primer also. The primer really smooth, feels so smooth on the skin, you guys, and it blends up really nice. I thought I picked up the pink one, but then when it come I find out that I didn't pick up the pink one. I picked up the more whiter, creamier one. So this is the primer. It come into this, and it also come into this box here, you guys. This is the box that the primer come in. As I said, I'm gonna go through everything and I'm gonna show you what I picked up in my next video. So you guys, I want to say thank you so much, and if you do like this video, please subscribe to the channel. Stay blessed, stay peaceful as always, you guys, and I will see you in my next upload. Ciao.